my fault. Gave a little too much, knew that this was gonna happen. But I'm not gonna lie, you can make me cry 1,000 times, so come on it back like what?
Oh hell no!
People think I'm obsessed with this, but I'm okay with it. I am obsessed with it. And I think this is an obsession that doesn't hurt anyone.
Sin City was an
angel like
foreign nut, foreign nut, foreign nut, foreign nut. She don't need to know, just go back.
Did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle. Came straight from the bottom to the top of my lifestyle. Nigga living life like a beginning, this is only the beginning.
Man, I'm finna whip this hoe.
I need a bad believe. Addison Rae. Well, Shawty the baddest, yeah, and she got her ways. So these lyrics are obviously very heartfelt to me because I'm Addison Rae.
Because I wanna feel again. Oh God, I wanna feel again.
Are you Jason's new girlfriend? Dude! He told me you were hot, but I didn't believe him because, like, have you seen him? Like, out of his league. Which, by the way, fuck him, dude. You and me. Let's elope. I'm not doing nothing.
I get those goosebumps every time. I need the Heimlich.
Alright, here we go, Ted. Someone say it. 398. 978. 389,244. What?
Some hot girls, some of that pop y'all shit. Hey, work out, yeah. Show 'em your mama to pull like dick.
Big booty bitch, like big booty bitch, some hot girls, some of that pop y'all shit. Hey, look it up, ho.
Charlie, we gotta leave. I'm coming!
Take it easy, try not to be so hard on myself.
Don't even make sense, put the rollie on my wrist so they know what time it is.
He just wanna fuck with me cause I'm the one. He got all the drugs and I got all the guns.
A part tip redact. What?
A partip redact scavern.
What are you talking?
Raverdent scavern.
Wait, we get an extra week of spring break? Let's go! What? No! We should be back in school learning about calculus by now. But we can't, because someone in China ate a bat and now there's worldwide plague. This is so dumb. Me and my pet cactus are just sitting here losing intelligence points. We're gonna become dumb.
It's just a song, an inefficient way to move the story along. I'm done.
You're just being cynical.
No, it's just the principle. Someone, won't you make it stop?
Don't make it stop.
Oh, I can't stop singing. Make it stop, make it stop. Am I real or just a prop? Oh, I can't stop singing. So let's just talk.
Talk,
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 talk, talk, talk, talk, talk, talk, talk, talk.
We're trapped inside a musical review.
At least I'm here with you. I don't wanna make it stop.
Oh, I can't stop singing. Make it stop, make it.
I got into an entanglement.
Me, wrecked, trapped, hard and dead. All you do is come around, just came here to collect. Wrecked, trapped, hard and dead. Don't you know that I cry tears of gold for you? I sit here proud for you. Collect my pennies and my dimes. That's why you love it when I cry. Platinum love for you. I'd give it no less for you. Generosity's my enemy, so I'm broken. Your heart's rich because of me. Know that this is my fault. Gave a little too much. Knew that this was gonna happen, but I'm not gonna lie. You can make me cry 1,000 times. So come on it back. Like, what is going on with my head?
Okay, stop. I don't know what's in those TVs.
What the hell? What happened? Why are you holding that for? Why are you looking at me like that? 你試下。你試下。What the hell? Don't act like the other people. You try it. I kill you. I kill you. Get out. Put it back. Don't do that. I hate people with. Don't do that. Don't even try it. I don't have money like that. I'm a poor ass. 我打死你個衰仔你！你試下。
Okay, everyone, please take out your review packets. Today is the day of the test, okay? So we will... No, I told the whole class. I told the whole class last week. So you should be informed that the test was today. Sweetheart, I told the whole class last week. It was your responsibility to write it on your agenda, write it on your little smartphone, to inform you that the test was today. Okay, I told you guys last week. It is your responsibility to remind yourself that it would be today. Okay. Ladies, separate. No, I don't care if you're asking for a pencil. Okay, my first instinct is to assume that you're cheating. Okay, so please separate. No, go put it over there. Why are you giving it to me? No, why are you giving... Go put it over there where I told the whole class to put it. Okay, put it over there with the rest of the papers, not to me.
Do I look like Charlie D'Amelio quiz? Bro, take a good look at me. Y'all know damn well I don't look like no Charlie D'Amelio. And I wish this fucking quiz would tell me I look like her too. What color is your hair? It's dark brown, right? Yeah. Do you wear a hoodie? I don't have too many hoodies, but yeah. Do you like to dance? Fuck no, man. When I be trying to dance, I be looking like them little blow up things at the car dealership. Do you have a TikTok account? Yup, but I don't be doing what Charlie D'Amelio be doing, bitch. That's for sure. Do you always seem to have an iced coffee in your hand? Fuck no, bitch. I'm not no Karen, bitch. Don't ever disrespect me again, bitch. Orange juice. Do you wear glasses? Sometimes, bitch. I'm nearsighted. What clothes do you normally wear? Jeans and a t-shirt, man. Alright, let's see what it is. Let's see what it... 100%? Just say it with me, y'all, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. So you swear to God?
Way down by morning in my birthday suit, lift up the evening just for a while, backwards, upside down, and inside out. So hold on or it'll fall down. Oh, heave the oceans too, won't you?
Boy, what the fuck going on in Miami, bro? Boy, she would've got in there. No, shit, that shit just disappeared.
I feel like I hate saying this because then everyone on Twitter is like, you're lying, I hate you. I was supposed to be in the video. No, I actually wanted you to be in it. Because I was in Miami.
Don't even make sense, put the rollie on my wrist so they know what time it is.
He just wanna fuck with me cause I'm the one. He got all the drugs and I got all the guns.
It's just a song, an inefficient way to move the story along. I'm done.
You're just being cynical.
No, it's just the principle. Someone, won't you make it stop?
Don't make it stop.
Oh, I can't stop singing. Make it stop, make it stop. Am I real or just a prop? Oh, I can't stop singing. So let's just talk.
Talk, 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 talk.
We're trapped inside a musical.
At least I'm here with you. I don't wanna make it stop.
Oh, I can't stop singing. Make it stop, make it stop.
Detach them.
You can detach your nipples.
No, you can't.
Yes, you can.
I can't.
Yeah,
Ethan,
yeah.
no,
You're not a
girls
girl.
can. It's because they
Girls
can
can.
breastfeed.
Yeah. They get like moldy almost, like when they're used too much. You have to take them off.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
You didn't know that?
No.
How stupid
Wait.
are you? You learned it in health class.
No.
Yeah,
Yeah, you
No,
do.
I didn't learn that.
You're supposed to.
No.
What do you mean no?
You're joking.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you're joking.
I'll detach my nipples for you right
You're
now.
not. You're joking.
No, go ask
you're
mom.
no.
No, go ask mom.
Mom! Can you take off your nipple?
Roll up to the party with my crazy pink wig, but I can't get through the door because my booty's too big. 1% is human, 99 is plastic. Just a sec, I gotta fix my lips. These hoes are jealous, cause their men's want me. I can't believe it.
Okay, does anyone else have a weird collection of things that you're obsessed with? So, I bought these sunglasses from Target, and I really liked them. And then a few months later, I bought these sunglasses from Charming Charlie's. And I was like, wow, these are cool. And then I realized they look kind of familiar. And then I went to Walmart and I bought these and I was like, wow, amazing. So then I started hunting for these glasses. And then I found this pair at Burlington Coat Factory from Steve Madden. And then I found this pair again at Target, bringing it full circle. And yeah, I'm just really obsessed with these. I wear them every day and I love them so much.
And I know that you love me, baby, admit it.
Don't even make sense, put the rollie on my wrist so they know what time it is.
He didn't wanna fuck with me cause I'm the one. He got all the drugs and I got all the guns.
This is a sound for all the girls with an RBF. First, show how you smile. Next, show your resting bitch face. Let's see who has the worst one.
Why's my charger broke? I have to buy another one now. Why's my charger broke? It's working.
Thank you so much.
Have you ever been snaked by a friend and just for the clout they'll do it again? Got the timeline popping again, I swear on my mum's.
Hey, say swear. Alright.
You're actually brushing your waves, but no, you're a criminal.
What did I just do?
That was locked.
Oh no, that's why I had a spatula.
Bitch, I'm fucking reptilian. Bitch, all your bitches was wrong. Talking about I felt, you ain't even get on.